Hi friends, myself Pratyanshu. Today I discuss concept of work function. Concept of work function. Work function is the minimum energy required. The minimum energy required the minimum energy required by an electron to escape from the metal surface is called the work function of the metal. It's called the work function of the metal. So basically, when an electron emission takes place, then some minimum energy required for ejecting the electron from the metal surface. This minimum energy is called work function. And the role of work function is very important in photoelectric emission, or we can say what the role of work function is very important in electron emission. So, and generally work function is denoted by phi naught or sometimes capital W. So it is denoted by phi naught or sometimes capital W. Now the unit of work function is electron volt. Unit of work function is electron volt. And if I define electron volt in definition form, when we define electron volt by definition form, so called energy gained by an electron when it has been accelerated by a potential difference of 1 volt. If I define electron volt in definition form, then energy gained by an electron when it has been accelerated by a potential difference of 1 volt. If I discuss, this is A point and this is B point, and electron is accelerated from A to B, and potential difference of B point, or we can say potential at B minus potential of A is 1 volt. So energy gained by an electron when it has been accelerated by a potential difference of 1 volt is called 1 electron volt energy. And if I am converting electron volt or we can say 1 electron volt in joule. So 1 electron volt is equal to 1.602 into 10 to the power minus 19 joule. Remember this conversion factor because in photoelectric effect it is very useful to solving problems. If I discuss some metal work function, if I discuss value of work function for some metal, then work function of work function is maximum. Work function is maximum for platinum. Work function is maximum for platinum is phi naught equal to 5.65 electron volt, and is minimum for cesium. Minimum for cesium, it is phi naught equal to 2.14 electron volt. So this is, and when we say work function is maximum for platinum, so ejecting electrons from the platinum metal surface, platinum metal surface, then maximum energy is required for ejecting the electron, and in case of cesium, minimum energy is required for ejecting the electron. So this is the concept of work function, and work function basically depends on metal and nature of its surface. So this is the total concept of work function. I hope you understand the concept of work function. If you have any problem regarding work function and electron emission, then comment me in the comment section of this video, and then I resolve this problem. So I hope you understand whole concept of work function. Thank you for watching this video.